When working with asynchronous JavaScript or TypeScript, VS Code can help speed up your coding by automatically inserting await expressions. Here, you'll notice that I'm calling the fetch function, and the fetch function here returns a promise of a response, so R is a promise value here. Now, if I trigger IntelliSense on R, I say R dot here, you'll see that a lot more values are being suggested than you might expect. There's the suggestions from promise, such as then and catch and symbol here, but then there are all these other suggestions as well. And these suggestions are actually coming from the wrapped type, so from response. So things like JSON here, those are all from the response type. When I actually go and accept one of these, let's just say blob here, VS Code will automatically insert the await expression. And this is because to access the values on the wrapped object, or response in this case, we actually needed to await the value for R. So now we've accessed that, or we've awaited R, and then we're accessing the blob property on that. We can again do this with B because, again, B is also a promise. It's a promise of a blob. So if we say B dot here, we again see the wrapped, or the suggestions for the wrapped value here. So these are all suggestions for the blob type. Let's just say B dot type. It automatically inserts the await expression on B there. And then I can say starts with image slash. These automatic await expressions can speed up your coding, and they make working with promises feel just like working with normal values.